My people, while some people they celebrate, some people they plan the downfall of other people. This matter wey reach me now, dey very, very, in fact, very, very touching. Imagine person suffer go school from primary school till finish secondary school. My people, person never even finish. Oh, that one na just a stepping stone. Graduation time now, before graduation for una wey they usually do this thing wey last day of exam, you go wear white shirt, then they go people, everybody go dey sign different things for your cloth, you understand? Now wetin these people dey celebrate to say okay, finally they don finish all those kind of jubilation. Now so person carry marker write for person cloth. He write R.I.P, rest in peace. And to hold and behold, they say the next day, now so this boy just die for accident. Omo, I still dey shock. Just like that, person, you don't understand. Just R.I.P, and it happened. It came to pass, and he died. See, life, this life where we dey live like this, e get plenty things more than the ones where we dey see. We just dey see the normal one. Many things dey behind this because una just dey see sun when una wake up, moon when una dey go sleep. E dey more than that. Some people don decide for this life. You don't understand. Some people sit down on top other people's destiny. They remote them. They manipulate them. See, life now, na 10% physical, 90% spiritual. The way I don't dey see am, because my people, the kind news wey dey reach us nowadays, make una take una spiritual life serious. Take am serious. See, una no know who dey stand by una side every day. Oh, see this guy now, just like that, just marker. The person no carry cutlass come meet am for in front say I will killing you today. Just marker. For you to see that it is very serious. Like simple things. Now simple things they kill people. Simple things. After you suffer how many years? Now only God knows sef whether now this guy no even get person where they take and train am through school. Maybe now you know, see some people they like that, they work, they go school at the same time. What if this is the case of this guy? Don't suffer. Last day when your life now your life they can't start. Person just misbehave anyhow. You just go. Don't trust people. Don't trust people. See, I go repeat them again. Fear human being. No, fear human being. Some people, when they celebrate, they forget themselves. Celebration time now, you don't forget. See now why they tell una. Anytime why they tell una this thing, una this are the joke. No, they get over plenty friends. See this life, you just need 4 people, 3 self if it's necessary. Some people go, they get 100. Every area where they go, they get like 10 friends. Every street, they get friends. How you go grow like that? How? When everybody know your movement, your next step, they know am. Your next food where they go chop, they know am. Where they cook your food, they know am. How people no go just use you? How? Live your life coded. Nothing dey like coded life. Oh. In as much as you get 1 or 2 friends when they talk, see, I know be everything you go they expose, you go they bring out. Make una dey careful. Dey very, very careful. If people feel envy poor people, now rich people they no go envy. I beg you, now today they envy even you where you no get sleepers. So you see that day now they watch me, you they think of wait I go chop this night. Person they think of to kill you. You will never chop. They exist because many people they go say who fit envy me? Me where I no get house, I no get car. Even as you no even get where to sleep, person they sit down, they strategize how to finish your life. So make una shine una eye. See, live your life like say every day na war. You understand? That way you go feel dey on guard. Be smart and see, they check every movement, they check am. This period where we dey no be period to dey sleep, they joke, they laugh. Because now this time, all those things where they talk say go happen, it don't they start. It don't they start. We know they wait for tomorrow again. Nah, it is now. I no bring this matter so that I go put fear for una body. I bring this matter so that una go dey aware. You understand? And una go dey careful. It is very, very important. And as it be now, if you ask me, the key now to hold God strong. Just hold him strong. Me, na the only. I no get any other advice that I want give you now. I no fit say go meet juju man. I no fit say go fight. I no. Save yourself the stress. See, and once you hold God strong, He will take care of all the challenges. You understand? Make una dey very, very careful this period. Now I bring this matter, and it dey very, very important. So, my brother, I don't know your family, but from 101 TV, you understand? We say rest in peace, and we are very sorry for anything will happen. And for una wey still dey alive, dey on guard. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next stories. Wonder shall never end, oh my people. Hey, before we finish one matter, now so another matter go just hit us. This one now, hey, I don't even know how I even want to take narrate this matter. My people, person go person shop, say they go buy rice. 20 bags of rice. Una know how economy be now. I just should say for the owner of this shop, mind there. You don't dance finish. Say God, thank you. You bring customer for me. This one, no, it's a scam. My people, person bring 400 and something thousand. They count them together. Not be say they just put them down. They even count the money 400 and something. Put them inside rubber. Ngano, they can't give the person 20 bags of rice. Put them for a car. The person can't drive go. This woman said she they go deposit money for bank. Now, so as she opened the nylon, now only papers full inside. Hey, she don't know whether to die, to faint. As in, the thing just do her body like say, I beg, make her not waste my time. They tell her many things. Make her see her and hear her with now ear. So join me, make we watch the video.
As you can see now, this happening live in Ogwashuku now. Life in Ogwashuku. Someone came here and buy how many bag of rice you buy? 20 bag of rice. With how much? Where this guy?
How much?
You go there? 470,000 naira. I be a good when I come to the money when it's completed. When the person left now, they not be in the money turn to paper. Life in Ogwashuku now is happening live. Just now, bag of rice, 20 bag of rice. Now they sell. As you can see now, 20 bag of rice cost of 400,000 naira. They pay cash. They counted the money completed. Then the woman pretended to go and put the money in the bank. Now brought it back out from the bag again. The money is now turned to paper, and they have moved away with the rice. It's China, white China, or China Kobu, white China. They have moved away with the rice now. China, which is China boss, white China. 400,000 turned to paper, white paper. This is Ogwashuku. You can see me live. So I'm not be saying that tell me. So I'll be fake. It happened live in my present now for Ogwashuku now.
I beg, I don't understand. Where una they take all this jazz from? Because I need una just they use the thing for the wrong purpose. If una give me all this power, what una they claim say una get? Hey, Chineke, Buhari. I don't turn am to cow since. Not be this one that they do and they change bag of rice. Don't worry to cow. May we know where our life they go. You understand? No, they waste. Hey, some kind people now they form my hand. Sharp. May we just hear for latest news. President of Nigeria just turned to cow. See how jubilation go happen. Oh, I beg, bros. I don't know your name. Oh, you will go do this and I know say they hear me, they watch me now. I beg, your next target, eh? I know there's about what you do, but if you do it for boo-boo, you understand? You go see say Nigeria go even put money enter your account. Not be this way they do fake. Chineke. Now people come tell me say maybe they exchange nylon. They no exchange nylon. This thing is real. Until it happen to you, before you go know say this thing they happen. It don't happen to people. People don't come outside. They testify. They give their own. To you, it go be like dream. Now so they do. They put something for mouth. They go just come talk to you before you know you don't sell your house. Now when they don't go, your eye don't open and the papers already there with them. All these things are real. Now wait till they try tell una. You understand? So make una see if you dey sell for shop, open your eyes. Shop owners. 20 bags just go. In fact, this 2021 it dey do me like na 2020. 2020 just go change cloth, wear bone straight, come back as 2021. Now so this year they do me. No, they don't say transfer better pass cash. Who tell you transfer where they due people? You go receive a lot like this. You go they see them say so amount has been transferred to. By the time you check again, money no dey. My people are now becoming smart. They are becoming smart doing the wrong things. Many of them no go believe. Now like that it always be. Now later on I go can say, hey Madam Aproko, you were right. Nigeria a movie on your own. Serious movie. Nollywood. I don't even know how come Nollywood never act Nigeria as a movie. Una go say die because things where they happen now. See, make una open una eye. And for una, all of una we no say as una they watch me now, you know say they do this thing. Where you go they do people, jazz, gist, all those plenty things. No try come my shop. Hey, fire wey go burn una. By now, na suppose no say I be prayer mistress. I dey scatter prayer. If you enter my shop, you go just turn to ashes. Because I no just understand how person fit suffer. You know wetin be 20 bags of rice? Not be those small 5 kg o. We dey talk about the bags, big bags. Imagine how this shop owner don't suffer. Maybe na even loan. She take loan that money when she go stock her shop. Maybe na person borrow. So Chiniki, how this person supposed to recover now? You know wetin be 400 and something. Una wicked. Forget say I dey laugh o. Una dey very wicked. This thing I dey look for the English wey I go use. Nigerian problem is, see, it is far from politicians. Of course, we know say government get their own. But you see Nigeria problem, not be only politicians. It is far. Even we ourselves, we dey add to problem where politicians don't already give us. When we suppose dey for each other, see, now this be the time where we suppose dey hold each other hand, support each other, fight for each other. But no. Some people just decide say for this life, it no go better for them. They just wake up, decide say it no go better for them for this life. Now just they lazy about. Now don't refuse to work. Now don't refuse. Sit down, think of what you want to do with your life. They don't want that one. They don't want that one, no. They want the one where person don't work finish, sweat finish, then they go reap for where they know so. Una time go soon reach. Look me very well. See this my face. Now me talk am. Una time go soon reach. Make una continue. Continue. See the rope still long. Una still dey pull am. Una go soon know wetin dey hold that rope. I don't know why every time una dey like make person dey cry. Like una dey happy when people dey cry. Who knows whether owner of that shop, whether your husband don't die? Or whether, see, people they go through things. And they beg una, no they carry una own, they add inside people's problem. As we call this world, we come on our own. Oh. We enter this world on our own. Therefore, everybody get their own problem. Now why people know they help people again? If una notice, see, out of 100%, if you see people wey help, let's say like 30%, 70% don't give up. Because if they tell una matter wey they experience every day, you go even tell them say abeg no help again. They don't tire. You go help person wey you even help, na that one sef go even carry knife behind you, chook you. So how you want make people come dey help people again? Because of all these things. Una go dey lie, una go dey deceive, una everything on top of one person head. See, my people, I know say me I get soft heart. You understand? Me I easily dey feel for people. But now don't learn one thing. You see all these people where una dey see say they waka for road wey they don mad. No pity them. No pity them. E get wetin they don go put their hand inside. See, all these mad people, even the ones wey no mad but they don almost mad, na swear dey swear for them. Why? They either thief, they cause problem for person husband house. Na why all of una slay queens una too follow. Make una relax. I no dey pity mad people o. Not just mad people, all those people wey if you dey see them you go, hey God, make I help this one. Oh, wetin happen to this one? Oh, wetin? Na lie. They don go do something. Like person wey carry this money now, bags of rice. They don swear for am o. Now e go dey okay. Let's say in 1 or 2 months time, e go enter street, e don mad. Una go come dey say, oh sorry, hey, wetin do this one? Una no know say na wetin push am enter street mad. So me, I no dey pity people again. Unless I see proof, say I know say okay, this one hand clean. I know they do am. Na so they go dey do pity face, so that you go just pity them. At the end, me, I don come tell una this one o, before una go talk say I see this one, I no bring am. So for una wey get eye, open am. Una wey get ear, open am. You understand? Because now these people they dey everywhere, and na the new means be that. So make una no forget. Remember everything wey I don tell una now. For una eye, e go happen. So my people, yes, na the matter be that wey I bring for una. So I still wan know any of una wey know another story wey happen, wey you wan address am, drop am for the comment section. You fit help person, nobody can tell. You understand? And make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen now for Nigeria, so that they go dey very careful. And if you never subscribe, very very important. See my hand, I dey beg, subscribe so that you no go miss anything when we drop. Don't go far, guys. Love you. See you later.